And we end our Christmas Day edition with a light moment. It's a Santa Claus World 100-meter dash, which features the Jamaica Santa. Take a look.
Welcome to Christmas Land, close to the North Pole, as this year's 8 Santa finalists emerge from the call room. Understand Rudolph and his fellow reindeers are nearby, and 1 or 2 locals have a rare opportunity to see this important race at close hand. Lane 1, the youngest Santa from Sweden, over 1,000 years old, his personal best 26.4. Lane 2, Santa Norway's elves tell me he's in great form, a best of 25 seconds. Santa from Great Britain, well, he's medalled twice but never won. In lane 4, probably the favourite, Santa from Jamaica, has bolt-like speed. Lane 5, a very relaxed Santa from the United States, a best of 24.8. Lane 6, Santa from France, clearly already mince pie eating champion. Well, he'll put chimneys under pressure, that's for sure. And in lane 7, Santa from Germany, despite his appearance, has been in the race 24 times. Lane 8, Santa from Finland, a previous winner in 15:36, but since then, injury has prevented any real challenge. Well, the children around the world will be hoping there are no injuries, and likewise Rudolph and his associates. The Christmas Land 100 metres final. Well, no problems with the start, and Santa USA gets away probably better than anyone. Santa Great Britain going well, Jamaica not showing any signs at all, and Nora, France and Germany on the left of your picture, and Great Britain now fading. Oh, and the Santa from Jamaica, well, that bag, the sack went across and impeded Santa from Great Britain, but look at the pace in the final stages here. Well, Santa Jamaica dominates the race in the end. The USA, Santa USA in second place, and despite that stumble, Santa from Great Britain managed to take third place. Well, I wonder if there'll be a protest, but that was a dominant finish over the last 20 metres. The children of Jamaica will be in very good hands indeed. Good start, as I said, but in the final stages, the Santa from Jamaica was totally and utterly dominant.